Learn Spanish easily with animated videos on Udemy. Get your special deal in the description. But let's see how the course on Udemy works. Welcome to our language course, where young and old alike can learn through animated videos. You will learn 20 useful sentences set in 20 different situations, for a total of 400 sentences and over 1,000 words. Let's take a look at a sample topic. Each topic contains a video. Watch the video as often as you like and try to repeat the words and phrases you hear. If you find you're able to keep up, then you're ready for Quizlet. In Quizlet, you'll practice everything much more actively. But first, let's see the video.
Él coge el móvil. Él coge el móvil.
Yo marco el número 123. Yo marco el número 123.
Él reserva una mesa para dos. Él reserva una mesa para dos.
We'll jump ahead to the end for a quicker explanation.
Camarero, la cuenta, por favor. Camarero, la cuenta, por favor.
Hasta luego. Hasta luego.
Were you able to speak along? If it's still too fast, you can adjust the playback speed. And don't forget to watch the video several times. The next step is to practice what you've learned in Quizlet. Quizlet is a free learning tool that will surely surprise you. Start by creating a user account. If you like, you can download the app to study on the go. You can join our course once you've created your account and find all the topics from the course. You're ready to actively study the first topic. Quizlet offers a variety of learning options. We recommend the Learn mode. It's important to choose the correct settings under Options. Select the language. For the type of question, it's best to select only flashcards. And please always activate the audio. You will see the same animation as in the video. Do you remember the sentence? If you know it, mark Got it. If not, you'll have to study it again. Then move on to the next sentence. You can take a break at any time and continue learning later. Quizlet always saves your progress. Practice until you have mastered all the sentences. At the end of the topic, there's a small control question to check whether you've learned everything successfully. If you have, then congratulations! You can now move on to a new topic. You can go through the topics in any order you choose. If you have any questions, ask them in the forum. Someone from our team or another student will help you immediately. Thank you very much for your attention, and have fun with our course.